How to turn on notifications in Lyft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on notification. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see the option called profile. Simply tap on your profile. So these are the profile settings. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to see settings. Tap on it. So these are the settings interface. Here scroll down until you find the option called privacy. So it is right here. Now on the top you'll be able to see notifications preference. Tap on notification preference. So these are the settings here. So make sure you turn it all on. So here there are different subcategories too. So simply turn on, and you can even directly turn it on by going through your mobile app settings. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.